Good evening, everybody. Well, here goes the snow swirling its way out of here and leaving in its wake snow on the ground for us here in Terre Haute, anywhere from 3.5 to 4 inches. But you get down into Greene and Knox counties, and as you heard Matt talking, they still have travel warnings in effect because the roads are just a mess down there, and it is blowing snow, and so travel is really quite hampered. Because of the wind and now what's settling in as to be a very cold night. Overnight lows tonight dropping into the 20s with snow on the ground. The earth can't radiate any heat, and so it's going to be a cold night. Right now the wind is out of the northwest at 8 miles per hour. That's a steady wind. It's 15 miles per hour in Mattoon, 13 miles per hour in Champaign. So there's a pretty good wind out there, pretty stiff wind. And not only that, we have gusty wind at times, sometimes up to 15, 18 miles per hour. And so consequently, roads that have been cleared, again, there could be some drifting shut of those roads tonight. That's why authorities are saying that if you don't have to drive, don't get out and drive, because you get out in the country, especially, it's hard to tell where the road is and where you're going and so on. So you just want to be careful with that. 31 degrees right now in Terre Haute, 31 in Mattoon. Champaign has 31, 32 in Kankakee. With the wind, however, if you have exposed skin, it feels like it's 23 degrees outside. And so that's how your skin reacts, as if it's 23 degrees. Well, we take a look at the Storm Team Futurecast, and here's the snow that's moving out, and so that moves away, and that takes with it the chance for any precipitation. And so tomorrow it becomes partly sunny. It looks like tomorrow high of about 32 degrees after a cold night tonight. And then we get into the day tomorrow, so some sunshine, and we get into Friday at midnight, and then 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, we start to get more clouds moving in. And within these clouds, as you can see, this sort of light coloring here, this indicates the possibility of more snow. So more snow possible on Friday night as we get into Saturday. And so we're going to wind up the year with a chance for some snow, maybe a little more accumulation, because what we have on the ground most likely is not going to melt. So cloudy and cold, blowing snow tonight. An overnight low tonight down into the lower 20s, so a cold night tonight with a northwest wind to about 15 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, becoming partly sunny. A high tomorrow of 32 degrees, not as windy tomorrow either, a wind from the northwest at about 9 miles per hour. And tomorrow night, another cold night. An overnight low tomorrow night with the low dropping down to about 20 degrees. So a little bit colder tomorrow night, southeast breeze to about 5 miles per hour. Friday, clouds move back in. And by Friday late afternoon and late Friday night, it'll be 33 degrees, and then maybe some snow developing on Friday night down to 21. Saturday, a high of 32 degrees. That's a very good temperature for snow. A lot of times, Matt, just like happened this last time, a good snowstorm, good snowstorm, you want temperatures in the mid upper 20s and so on. That's